Guys, good morning. Andito ngayon ako sa aming bahay. Wala ako sa bakal. Nakikita niyo naman ang aking background. Kusina namin. Ito ang aming bintana. Hindi ko alam kung anong luto ni mama dito. Pero nakakita ako ng papaya. Kung makikita niyo po, ayan. Mga tambak na plato at baso, patiktikan. Huhugas ko lang. Hindi na ako nag-video na magpainit ng tubig. Kasi papa ko gusto magkape. Hindi ko na nakunan. Pero ibababa ako muna at ako yung magsasalin. Nakulo na yata. Yan, tingnan natin. Sasalin tayo ng tubig. Tabi yata. Kita niyo sila na harang sila. Pag-iusit natin. Napaka-printar mas. Ito ako magsasalin sa ano. Ito nga pala ang aking pusa. Ito ang aking pusa. Oh, yan po. Ako na guys. Let's go. Magsalin tayo.
All my cars have been automatic. This one belongs to a friend. I just borrowed it to go home just a little bit more earlier. I am not here to drive. I am here for something else. Is it your hour 300? I'll pay you right now and you take me away, please. Immediately. Right now. Okay, all right.
Ang aking tasa guys. Ang aking phone.
I can indeed easily drive anything.
Kasi ako yung magkakape. Ang kape ko talaga is Coco Blanca. Since wala akong pambili, tsaga tayo sa magkape. Ito ba natin baka lumamit?
Are you perhaps a doctor or a lawyer by any chance? Neither of them at all. Where are you coming from? I was at an important meeting. I got a ride, and the person who took me had to leave a bit early, and I just borrowed this car a little.
Nakita ko lang sa inyo guys. Ano yung morning routine ko sa umaga. Hindi naman ang babagong morning routine ko. Kainit ang tubig, habang nagsasyampon, bilang pandesal, kakainin. Yan lang. Hindi naman nagbabago.
You still have exactly 20 minutes left. What are you doing? Did you call me just to drive around? Of course. I am definitely married.
Hindi na ba ako to pag manonood ng balita mamaya?
I think you misunderstood me.
Ayaw manood sa taas pag umulan na ano yung hangin sa plastic.
For just money?
Magbasa.
Wouldn't it be better for you to perhaps maybe consider looking for a job?
Tita, kape na!
What is your story a bit?
Iinom ka pa yata ng gamot. So guys, ako po ay nag-antibiotic. Gawa ko ng aking ngipin.
Do you really want to
Next
spend
week
your
pa ako
20 minutes listening to my story?
magpapabuno.
I am paying you right now.
Kasi nung hinawakan ni Doc,
I was the typical popular
biglang may kumirot. Tsaka pag nasisingitan ng mga karne, tumatalon ako sa sakit.
Everyone had their own life in their own way. Unfortunately,
Naririnig niyo po ang background ko. May aso pong maligalig sa banyo.
my friend and I definitely got into this life. It was really easy money. I always promised myself that it was always just for one more year, just one more year. But no opportunity ever appeared. Until I lost hope.
Asukal. Dito na kami asukal namin.
Stop it.
Lagayan pa.
You look like a teenager.
Lagyan to ng asukal.
Where is your wife?
Bye. Yan guys. Thank you. Anak ng kapatid ko. Dadalawa na lang po yan. Sana hindi na mawala. Yung iba po ninanakaw. Tsaka kanakain po ng sawa. Tayo. Nandito po ang sisi. Sisi. Ayun po. Bye! Abangan natin guys. Nalabas. Yan po ang lababo dito. Paupahan po ito ng lola ko. Doon may naupa. Ito walang naupa. Tsaka yung bahay dun. Yan, pag binuksan niyo yan, may isa pang pintuan doon walang naupa. Guys, tignan nyo kung gaano kalalim ang ilog. Hindi po yan ganyang kalaki. Ang babaw po niya. Alam bakod. Wala na pang bakod. Kami na ulit.